Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Gurneet. How are you? Very fine.
Yes, sir, I am very
Gurneet,
fine.
good. Gurneet is our very
Uh,
close team member of Umesh Arora English Guru Academy, and I hope that. So, Gurneet, we are crazy to listen to you.
yes, sir.
Yeah, so when you joined, how did you feel about today's program? You have been connected with us for a long time. How did you feel and what changes you found in yourself after joining Umesh or English Guru Academy? And moreover, the thing is that you are the only person in Shagun. You both are the only persons who are very close to me, to Vanya ma'am, to my family, and you are standing by with us shoulder to shoulder. Our every thick and thin, every time you are standing with us, you are some numbered person whose house I have visited. You have visited my house and you are having the full command over there. So do explain everything.
I think, sir, when I reached here for I think before 2 years, I am not confident and I can't speak a single word of English
I
in
was
front
not
of.
confident. I was not confident, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
But now I can speak also because nowadays in our college there are some, I think, declamation competitions are there and speech are there. They are teachers are that you can participate and you should go for that. And
Hmm.
I also participated in that. I think 2 days before,
Hmm.
after, sorry,
Okay.
our declamation competition is there, and I think I can perform very well. But if I am not a student of Umesh or English Guru, I can't even speak in front of teachers also. So this is a very nice thing I have learned from you.
Okay, very good. Are you happy with Umesh Guru English Guru?
Yes, very much.
Okay, and the hard work, dedication you are really doing, that is really worth appreciating, and that's I really appreciate you. And I think if possible, then if Shagun is also near to you, then she may also join if possible.
No, sir, she is not here.
Okay, no issue. Okay, so nice talking to you. Overall,
Thank
if anybody else would like